Ethan, run in! Ethan, what is it? He's been chased by Kanye West!
It's Kanye West, it's Kanye West. Alright, let's go.
Shit.
Don't worry, I managed to lock him in the room.
Good, Meghan Markle's also after us as well.
Yeah, I know.
And so are aliens.
I think they're going to break out. And, oh crap, there they are! Crap,
Damn!
Crap. Right, let's keep going. Right,
We are
come on.
on the
We're gonna get away from these alien invaders and Meghan Markle and Kanye West.
There's Donald Trump.
Donald Trump? Yeah, bloody hell.
President of the United States.
Wait, where's they gone?
What is
Donald
Donald
They're
Trump?
getting guns! They're getting
Shit!
guns out, quick!
What is Donald Trump doing in Colorado?
I don't know.
He's meant to be in Washington DC. He's the president.
Quick, we gotta get out of here.
We need to head to New York and tell the MIB about this alien invasion and being chased by Kanye West.
Oh, I can hear do you hear the bullets going?
Alien lasers flying saucer behind
Let's
us.
go, let's drive.
Goddamn aliens.
We're not safe yet, there's a tank after us. Look behind us, you see the tank behind us.
Yeah, I can see the tongue behind us, Ethan.
Activate, what was it, Sam? Activate?
Activate rear weaponry.
So,
Headlights.
we can fight back
Yeah,
against
yeah.
these aliens.
There we go,
Yeah,
done.
the headlights. They're
You just click the
laser guns.
click the button.
Click the button, yeah, there we go.
Goddamn aliens.
Yeah.
And Kanye West and Meghan Markle, they're helping the
Yeah,
aliens.
they are, and Meghan Markle cheated on Harry.
Damn, with Kanye West.
Yeah.
What a bitch Meghan Markle's being.
Yeah, I know, yeah. Again.
Haha, they're moving off. They're not coming after us.
Oh, brilliant, yes!
No aliens anywhere. We lost them.
Yeah!
Woo!
But it's not over yet because we've got to activate the turbo booster so with the punch the NOS so the car can fly. I need to get back to New York City
Exactly.
to our headquarters.
Because we're in the MIB after all.
Yeah, and my apocalypse panel in the basketball
there is
court has been
something else you should
compromised.
know about me.
Yeah,
They'll be filming this as evidence, the alien invasion and Kanye West and Meghan Markle
yeah,
working with these alien scumbags.
yeah!
Ah,
There is something you should know about me.
fuck.
Yeah,
NASA
what
should
is that,
never
Sam?
contact the
a
aliens.
Power Ranger.
No.
Good to have a Power
Right.
Ranger with us.
Yes.
Well then let's pull over right now and then you can sort them out.
Excellent.
Alright, indicating left.
Okay.
Left wheel turn, activate. Gas, activate. Incoming projectiles!
Damn!
Oh look, he's taking cover, look!
Aliens! Let's get our laser guns out! Take that, you goddamn aliens!
Yeah!
Open up the window.
Throw the grenade, quick, throw the grenade out the window, quick.
Let's open the window!
Oh, yeah!
Open up the window!
Oh no.
Okay, we lost the aliens.
Look, a tank.
Yeah, tank. Disguised!
Oh no, there's Putin.
That's a military tank. What are British flags doing in America?
Putin's gonna take
Ah.
over.
It's a British uprising.
Damn! Just like 1776. We're in
Yeah.
reverse. We need to fight back!
Yeah, we do, yeah. They're saying that, saying this is the UK, Donald Trump can go back to America.
This is not the UK, this is the United States of America.
Oh, right, yeah, right. Wait a second, why does it all look like the UK?
Fuck knows.
Oh, we're in a simulation!
Damn!
Oh! We're inside of a simulation! Inside of another simulation!
Exactly.
Oh,
By the aliens! The aliens trapped us inside the spaceship
Yeah!
above Earth.
Wait, am I even driving a...
It's to stop the video in 3.
Am I even
2,
driving a real car
1,
right now?
And stop.